Heinz Adventure Season 50 presents.
Ready to do this. Stay tuned for more of Heinz Adventures.
Watch where you going with a smile.
Pretty easy ride.
After Heinz Adventures.
Never done the shuttle before. So we are here in Fort Lauderdale. In sunny Fort Lauderdale. Take us about ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see back to you. Peace. Rip it. And now we're here on our balcony. On deck 18 of the ship. Minutes or so, but I just wanted to show you some cool things about this. We are sailing away And you know that when you're on a Carnival ship, you've got to have guides.
Usually, in authentic style, what they speak, yes, perfect. Forward.
Also did the Elegant Night, so we did a lot of photos. Amazon. I swear to you, that
Drop this shit right up Earl's ass. Hold on. Fucking wheel it.
that I have from the beautiful island of the Dominican Republic. The ATV.
Underwater going, you
That ride.
I liked it because I'm in the back now.
Ship. Actually, no, we're gonna go to the beach first. Look how awesome she looks.
I'm in the back.
Yeah. Vámonos. Different country here. So let's sit back. We can grab something to eat and just enjoy the beautiful Puerto Rican. In the background, you see all the hotels trying to make all your money.
guards, Spanish guard disappeared. They wonder what happened. They thought it would wash away by the ocean. What happens?
As they
I love you so. That's why you.
everyone, 2 countries, 1 fantastic beach.
So.
To the end of the next cruise, but it will be sort of guest for the cabin crew.